stay for the fun. Yeah, you have to buy. Wow, that's a nice walk. There's a swimming pool here, me. They have food there. Sa Alibaba. Jet ski, luxury jet ski. $49. It's a luxury jet ski rentals. $49. Book now. Oh, you have to book online. You have to pay here. Look. Yeah. $49 rent for jet ski, but I don't know how much it is. Probably about an hour use. Yeah, but if you don't know how to drive it, yeah, you can ride there. Do you want to ride me? We can rent that, me.
I don't know.
There.
I don't have confidence with you.
Me, stay here, me, on the right side. What do you mean?
Ako dyan eh. Nagwawabol na ako. Masakit dito.
Oh yeah.
Ikaw walang sakit?
No, my right knee. But I.
Yung hips mo.
Hips. Yeah. Tanda ka na. You have to walk straightly. If you want, you can sit and sit down. Lana. If you can feel pain. May, just my name. Oh, they're gonna ready to get married. Look. Wow. Yeah. No, I don't want to. I'm recording. I don't want to. Oh man, that's a long walk. Yeah. No, you sit down there. Saan masan dyan? Ah, your hip. Wow. Baka you might need hip replacement. Hey.
No, yung simula ng yung pinaka ng long bone.
Oh yeah, you sit doon ka na. Just wait for me. There.
Bone here.
I know, you stand up there and ay nako. But rest. Just stay there. I'm almost done with my walking. I will turn it on that corner. I will turn and then go back. Wow. Well, I reached the finish line, so I have to make a turn, go back, pick up my wife, and head back to the park. That's gonna be a long walk for me and my wife, Helen. But take a look of the downtown area of San Diego. Right now we are in Coronado side of San Diego. Give you 360 degrees of Coronado and San Diego. All right.